Hello, Thalun Elementary School students. This is Mr. Kwan. Welcome to our monthly assembly. During the assembly, you will hear our Thalun song. The KG to grade 5 students will showcase their artwork. Then I will announce our November Student of the Month awards. And Mr. Tang will celebrate students whose birthday were in November.
To you, beloved Thalun School, we pledge our very best each day to smile and lend a helping hand and heart, be kind in work and play. For you, dear Thalun, we shall learn and share each honor that we earn. Our stars shall rise in the end, my skies, thanks to thee, dear Thalun School. Thanks to thee, dear Thalun School. To you, beloved Thalun School, we sing with voices proud and strong, of friends and memories within our hearts to last a lifetime long. For you, dear Thalun, shining light, shall guide us to a future bright. Our stars shall rise in the end, my skies, thanks to thee, dear Thalun School. Thanks to thee, dear Thalun School. To you, beloved Thalun School, we join together near and far to share our hopes and dreams, a smile or two, to be a shining star. For you, dear Thalun, far or near, our love will shine forever clear. Our stars shall rise in the end, my skies, thanks to thee, dear Thalun School. Thanks to thee, dear Thalun School.
This month, we continue to acknowledge students who have demonstrated to be the critical thinkers and problem solvers. The winners from the lower elementary school are KG student Amelia and Galmiet, Grade 1 students Situ, Emma, and Almio, Grade 2 students Tutek and Jumiet. Congratulations to those winners from our lower elementary school. And the winners from our upper elementary school are Grade 3 students Stephen and Wei Yan, Grade 4 students Yemiet and Ethan, Grade 5 students KK and Mero. Congratulations to those winners from our upper elementary school. In addition, we have winners from the special subjects class. In Myanmar Studies class, the winners are Grade 1 student Yaya and Grade 5 student Moyu. In art class, the winners are Grade 1 student Ao Hing and Grade 4 student Temiat. Congratulations. In PE class, the winners are KG student Sude and Grade 1 student Ao Hin. In music class, the winners are KG student Jason and Grade 1 student Ao Hin. In ICT class, the winners are Grade 3 student Robin and Grade 4 student Daniel. Congratulations to all the winners who have demonstrated to be the critical thinkers and problem solvers.
Well, now it's time to celebrate birthdays for the month of November. And so we have some very special birthdays. In kindergarten, KG, Jade, happy birthday to you. In grade 2, Emerald, so we hope you had a very happy birthday. In grade 4, Daniel, hope you had a great birthday, Daniel. And then in grade 5, KK, Lillian, and Joshua. So we all hope you had wonderful birthdays this month and have a great rest of the year, and we'll see you later.